to watch and witness this lovely afternoon as their daughter turns 18. And I hope Christine Duyan, Cesaire Dornagon, Amberly Agsaen, Miss Ednaline Aguilar, Miss Joy Duyan, Annie Grace Miko, Aini Agustin, Miss Shamaine Agliam, Miss Glynis Agsaen, Miss Maria Erin Dornagon, and the mother of the debutant, Mrs. Marlene Duyan Dornagon. Music, please. Ladies, here are the 18 candles, Eloisa and Circle. This moment I would like Eloisa to feel the warmness of your candles, because as part of this entourage, you provide comfort to Eloisa as she travels her next journey. You are here not only and as 18, as member of the 18 Candles, remember the time comes, Eloisa might feel sad, she might face struggles in life, trials may come, but we are comfortable to believe that you're always there for her. Thank you, ladies. And Eloisa, it's now time for these 18 ladies to share what they know about you. Please get back to your seat.
Good evening, everyone. Happy 18th birthday. And yes, goods yan. Okay? May your wishes, enjoy your debut, and keep smiling. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Toby. It's your time. Diane, please, your message.
Lagyan na kasi.
Ya, ako si. Wala pa.
Kapit.
Pwede nagdulak.
Kapi-kapi? Okay. Kapi-kapi.
Even though you're far, far away, you're not still there. Wishing you joy and happiness.
Did you?
Start a new chapter in your life. May this new chapter bring you many wonderful experience. May God grant.
Come on! 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, among all the messages that have been given, I know that there's still one message missing. And that is a message coming from a mother's heart. Mothers know best, they say. So I would like to call Marlene for the final message for your daughter. Maybe there are things, there are other things that
Ay, sorry.
Alright, let's do it one more time to Magina. Go! Magina, maginaw, sika ba sangga kasagan, sa hindi natin, ito na Magina, 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 sika ba sangga kasagan, Alright, thank you so much.